Okay, so first we're going to make a small circle on our paper. This will be a color wheel. We're going to make it small so that you can make your art more interesting and expand it out, okay? So first of all, you're going to do an X and make a little dot to help you find the center, and then make an X inside the circle. Again, this should be small, it shouldn't be huge on your paper. And then do one more line through the center. Okay, now take your red and color in one of the little slices or sections. Make sure you use good craftsmanship. And then we're going to follow the rainbow. So right next to your red should be orange. Color the next slice orange. Then yellow. And then green. Blue. And then purple. So your purple should be next to your red. Okay, so there's the color. Now what you're going to do is turn this into something more interesting. So this is a small little color wheel on your paper. I want you to build it, make it larger. So you can check the slideshow to see all the different types of ways you can do that. But one way to do it is to stretch your lines that are separating each slice and stretch it all the way across the paper. Just so you make your little slices bigger so that you can put stuff inside of those slices and follow the color pattern of the color wheel. So I'm gonna do a flower, but you can do anything like a butterfly or even just a shape. Or maybe you don't have to do all that and you just want to color in each section. It's up to you. Okay? So I have a flower. I'm gonna add a couple more petals over here. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Sharpie and I'm going to trace these lines first, and then you're going to be adding line designs or Zentangles inside your different sections here. Okay, I'm going to trace these lines just so that you see them clearly. Okay. And now I'm going to erase my pencil lines so that way my art looks neater and more clean. So I recommend you do that, especially if you traced it with pen or marker. It's good craftsmanship, cleaning up your artwork. Okay. So now let's do some line designs inside of these little petal places. Okay, so I am going to start with a Zentangle idea. I'm not sure, I'm just kind of making it up, but I'm going to do the little rainbow things, but you don't have to copy my idea. You can create your own pattern. Okay, so then there's that one in there, and I'll do another pattern in this little section here, and just keep going, adding lots of different types of Zentangle patterns. Okay, you can check the slideshow to see all the different kinds of line designs that you can do, but you can always invent your own. So notice I'm not using pencil first, I'm going straight with my marker, otherwise it's going to take twice as long. It makes it interesting when you color in some of it with black. It makes some of the patterns darker than the other, and makes your artwork more interesting. Okay, so I'm done with the Zentangle patterns. Now I'm going to add some color. So in my red section here, I can add different kinds of red. Pink is a type of red. It's red and white. So you can add pink, dark red, light red, and then I'm going to move on to orange. And in the orange section, you can do different kinds of orange. You can even add a little yellow to mix with the orange. Same thing with the yellow section. Maybe you can add like a teeny bit of green. Okay. And in the green section, you can add a little bit of like a bluish green too. But you're following the color of that tiny color wheel in the center. So this all needs to be bluish, and then purples. Okay, and then we're done. You can add more if you'd like to, but I'm okay if you leave the background kind of empty and white. As long as you spend a good amount of time and you show really good effort in your work, you'll be fine. Okay? All right, see you soon. Have fun.